Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I want to talk about Tesla. Why? Well, hell, because everybody else is, okay? They reported numbers. Traders liked them, kinda. Do I know what they were? No. In this case, all I care about is what the stock is doing. I'll let other people tell you whether they're good numbers, bad numbers, this or that or the other thing. All I care about is what the traders, the people who are actually throwing their money around, think about the numbers and think about the future prospects of the stock. This is why I'm going into this, because I've seen this happen before in this stock as well as several others. The company reports earnings and the stock pops. Pre-market, post-market, whatever, it pops. And then traders get all lathered up because they want to get in on the stock. They want to get in on the good news before everybody else does. What they're not realizing is this is not like the days of delayed quotes on your software on CNBC. Everybody knows exactly what the price is now. There is no getting in on the action before somebody else. How many people can trade after hours? Well, pretty much anybody with a trading account. How many people can trade before the open tomorrow? Pretty much anybody with a trading account. So you can look and see about when the stock started to get jumpy here. Right about there. And since that time, the stock's basically just drifted sideways. And so as I look at this, the earnings are kind of a nothing event for the stock. There was this volatility squeeze back here. The stock broke out and pulled back. And ever since that time, you see, this is a box that is designed to encompass only the prices within the box. Like, watch what happens to the bottom of the box when I pull it over one more. See how it shrinks? Okay, so now we're back to there. And then as I pull this all the way over, nothing changes. See, so this stock is still in the same box that it was a month ago. And so the only time I would be interested, and even then this would be just kind of like remotely interested, only time I would be interested in buying this stock is if it breaks out above 700. Because if it breaks out above 700, then this could be a nice run up to 800. You know, that's the way I see it. But for now, this is one of those where you just look at it and go, well, that's interesting, but I don't think I'm going to trade it. So now Roku's a different story. I've been covering that lately. Talked about that recently and a few different times here on the chart, the free chart stuff. And I still like that stock a lot. I'm not going to go into detail here because this is Tesla, not Roku. But I do talk about it a lot on our premium service, which I highly recommend to you if you're not in it, okay? You'd make me feel good if you did, because then I would feel like at least I have some kind of value to you, all right? Either way, I'll see you next time.